You can expect a lot from the 2011 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door, four-passenger coupe stands out among competitors in its class. Camaro LS and LT trim models arrive with a high-output V6 engine, delivering 312 horsepower and 278 foot-pounds of torque. SS models get a 426 horsepower V8 engine displacing 6.2 liters, and both engines are backed by 6-speed manual or available 6-speed automatic transmission. New for 2011 is the head-up display. Standard on 2LT and 2SS, it displays your speed, RPMs, and more, even your radio station, on the windshield. An AM/FM CD player comes standard, while some models have an available 245-watt Boston Acoustics premium 9-speaker system. Other options include hands-free Bluetooth, OnStar turn-by-turn navigation, and XM radio. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.